So today we're gonna be making a small batch of brownies. So I'm gonna start off by putting my oven on 350 degrees. All right, and we're gonna start with our dry mix. Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. I'm gonna whisk this together to make sure there's no lumps. Get it nice and blended. Add 1 egg and vanilla. And whisk that all together. And of course it looks dry, but now we need to add our melted butter. And some chocolate chips. And with the chocolate chips, I usually add a little bit of milk so that they can melt evenly. I use oat milk, but you can use regular milk. I just like the consistency of oat milk. So we're gonna add our melted chocolate and 1/4 cup of our oat milk. Once we get that all mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a muffin pan. So this muffin pan, you can use like just a regular brownie pan. However, because it's small batch, they come out super thin and I don't really like that. So I use a muffin pan so that each individual one can get big. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the inside so that they don't stick. And pour our brownies. And we're gonna throw these babies in at 350 degrees for 15 minutes.